Hey friends, who's hungry? Tuna macaroni salad with mayo, peas, and celery is a creamy, crunchy, and satisfying dish perfect for a quick lunch or potluck side. First, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add 8 ounces or about 2 cups of uncooked macaroni noodles. Cook the noodles according to the package directions, then drain and transfer the noodles to a large mixing bowl. Add 2 large chopped hard-boiled eggs, 2 drained 5-ounce cans of chunk-like tuna in water, 2 sliced celery ribs, 1 15-ounce can of drained sweet peas, 2 tablespoons of dill pickle relish, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and half a cup of mayonnaise. Season the salad with salt and pepper to taste, then refrigerate for 4 hours before serving. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.